Are you ready to unlock the secret of financial freedom in 2025? Imagine earning money while you sleep. Well, I'm revealing passive income ideas that can transform your life. Whether you are starting small or aiming big, there's definitely something for everyone. So maybe you are wondering, who is speaking? My name is called Mose Wamkota. I post twice a week on tips and tricks on how to make money online. So if you haven't subscribed, please go on and do so that any video that I'll be uploading on YouTube, you'll be the first one to be notified by YouTube. So let's get started. Now, the first passive income idea that you can venture in 2025 is rental income. Yes, rental income. This is an evergreen way to make money. Investing in real estate allows you to earn monthly rents from tenants. Depending on your location, starting cost can range from $5,000 for fractional ownership. Now, it can take 1 to 2 months to learn property management basics. Now, here is a pro tip. Start small by renting extra rooms on platforms like Airbnb. Now, the next passive income idea that you can jump in 2025 is to start blogging. A favorite for writers and storytellers. All you need is a domain and a hosting, costing around $50 to $100 annually. Dedicate 2 to 3 months mastering SEO and content creation. Websites like Bluehost and WordPress are perfect to get started. Once you are up and running, then monetization comes from ads, affiliate links, and sponsored posts. Now, the next passive income idea for 2025 is that you can start cryptocurrency staking. So, Mose, what is cryptocurrency staking? It's a modern method for tech enthusiasts. By locking your crypto assets in staking platforms, you earn a reward. Popular platforms include Binance and Coinbase. Cost here depends on the cryptocurrency, but you can start as low as $100. Give yourself a week to grasp the basic of staking and wallet setup. You can also start automated printables. Who know? Designing printables could make you money. Platforms like Etsy allows you to sell planners, journals, calendars, and ebooks. Now, startup cost. You just need only $15 to $30 for designing softwares like Canva. Learning just takes a week with the free tutorials. Automate everything by uploading design once and earn repeatedly. The next lucrative passive income idea that you can venture in 2025 is that you can start peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending connects you with the borrowers. Via platforms like Lending Club and others, you invest small amount. As they repay, you earn interests. Start as little as $25 per loan. Understanding lending basics takes around 2 weeks. You need also to diversify your investment for better returns. Another passive income idea that you can venture in 2025 is that you can start user-generated content. UGS is booming. Brands pay creators to showcase their products authentically. All you need is a smartphone and creativity. Platforms like Below makes it easy connecting with brands. No upfront cost, and learning takes about few days. Another, let me say 80% passive income idea that you can venture in is to start affiliate marketing. This is one of the easiest way to start earning. You recommend products that you love, and when someone buys via your link, you earn a commission. Now, here is how affiliate marketing works. Number 1 is that you need to choose your niche. Then identify the problem in the market. Then offer solutions. Platforms like Amazon Associate, ClickBank, and Share a Sale are great places to find affiliate products. Learning takes 1 to 2 months, but it's highly rewarding. Another passive income idea that you can venture in 2025 is that you can sell digital products. To software templates, digital products sells hotcakes. Design your product using tools like Gumroad or Teachable. And initial cost here is from $50 to $100 for development. Now it might take 2 to 4 weeks to create and set up. Now the best thing with these digital products is that you create them once and then you start enjoying passive income repeatedly without creating another design. Now another passive income idea that you can venture in is to start outsourcing business. Now outsourcing involves hiring others to complete services. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr helps you to market your services. While delegating work, initial investment is minimal, but mastering these skills can take few weeks. Another passive income idea that most of people are making thousands of dollars every month is through online courses. Have expertise in a subject, package it into an online course. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare makes it easy to upload and sell your course. Someone say, how much do I need to start creating these online courses? Now costs here vary from $50 to $200 depending on the tools that you are using. With the 2 months learning curve, you can start teaching. Now another passive income idea that I have seen increasing in number is people are creating apps. So if you are a tech savvy, build an app. App development can cost from $1,000 to $5,000 if outsourced. Alternatively, learning app development can take from 3 to 6 months using free resources. Revenue streams include ads, subscriptions, and in-app purchases. You can also start a vending machine business. Vending machines are surprisingly lucrative. A new machine can cost from $2,000 to $5,000, with used options starting from $1,000. Learning routes and logistics takes around a month. Locations matters, so scout wisely. Another lucrative passive business idea that you can venture in 2025 is that you can start content licensing. If you have photos or videos, license them. Upload them to Shutterstock or Adobe Photos to earn per download. Equipment costs starts at $500, but basic smartphone shot can work. Learning period for content licensing takes about a week. Now another passive income idea that you can venture in is that you can start selling real estates. Real estate flipping or brokering is rewarding but requires significant capital. Now you need something like $10,000 and up to start to venture into this business. Certification and learning takes 6 months to a year. Another booming passive income idea that you can venture in 2025 is that you can start subscription boxes. Create unique subscription boxes for niche audience. Startup costs for inventory and packaging ranges from $1,000 to $5,000. Research and learning takes about 2 months. Now the next passive income idea that you can venture in 2025 is that you can start a YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel costs almost nothing. If you have a smartphone, it only takes 3 to 6 months to learn video editing and SEO. Monetize through ads, sponsorship, and affiliate links. Another passive income business idea that you can look into is to start podcasting. Podcasting is affordable with starter equipment starting from $100 to $300. Platforms like Anchor makes publishing easy. Dedicate 1 to 2 months learning audio editing. Now the next passive income idea that you can venture in 2025 is that you can write a book. Self-publish your book on Amazon KDP. It costs nothing to upload through. Editing services can cost from $200 to $500, and learning the process can take about a month. Another passive income idea is that you can build a niche website. Now you can build a niche website, for example, personal finance or cryptocurrency, then monetize through ads, affiliate links, and sponsored posts. Costs starts at $50 for hosting, and learning takes about 3 months. Platforms like Bluehost are beginner friendly. Another passive income idea that I've seen skyrocketing is to start influencer marketing businesses. Influencer monetize by collaborating with brands. Focus on growing your audience organically with zero upfront costs. Success depends on strategy and consistency. Another passive income idea that you can venture in is that you can license designs. Platforms like Zazzle and Society B are ideal. Learn licensing basics in about a week. Now lastly, you can venture into YouTube ads. Run ads on YouTube to earn revenue. Focus on high quality content to attract advertisers. But learning takes about few months. Passive income is not a dream, it is a strategy. Which of these ideas are you excited to start? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends. Till the next time, God bless you. Bye.